what's up guys? Today, if you see on the floor, we have a lot of things. It's actually the day before my birthday, which I'm really excited because I got Mega Bullets, Mega Madness, and I also got the Big Shot. I got the Recalibrator, and so we're gonna do an epic unboxing. And Kitty Meow Meow here.
And I also got a new gun recently. The Doomsland Impact Zone Desolator.
But that's not all that we have a Nerf gun. This is kind of like a Nerf gun. Just a little mini thing. But I can't wait. And I also got a gun before that. It's the Scatter Blast, the Super Soaker. And we all, Dexter Danger, Kitty Meow Meow. We
all have the Nerf
tactical
this.
So, well, I'm gonna start unboxing since I'm gonna unbox mine.
I feel so happy for you.
Oh, thank you, Kitty Meow Meow. But alright.
I feel so happy for you.
So why don't we unbox the smallest here? Oh wait, Kitty Meow Meow, will you please give me the scissors?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, but yeah, the Desolator. He got Dexter Danger got the Doominator, which I actually. Don't you love that gun, Kitty Meow Meow? Doominator?
Yes, I really, I'm really jealous.
Yeah, I know, we're all jealous. But now I got the Recalibrator, so now I'm not a little bit jealous.
Me neither. I'm now jealous of you.
Right, you know what?
How many bullets does it come with? 12 dart quick reload clip.
And
it's Caesar.
And I also have the extended mag for the Recalibrator.
Look, it goes 69 up.
Aw, this is so cute. It's like the jolt.
Now put the bullets in it and shoot it.
Yeah, if I can just get this out.
Oh man, I feel so happy for you so much.
Thank you. Honestly, if you get what about if you got the Mega Mastodon? What would you say? Would you be like so happy? It's a Mega Mastodon. Do you know how big that thing is?
It's so big.
Yeah, so this is the
Shoot it.
This is what I'm trying to find out.
How many bullets?
It's the Micro Dart Blaster. I don't know. It comes with 3 bullets. I'm only gonna use that, and I'm gonna shoot that. Oh wow! Oh, that's powerful. So yeah. But here we go. That is the Micro Blaster. Now, why don't we take it up with the Mega Darts since it's not a blaster?
Wait, show them the back.
What? Oh.
The back.
Oh.
The back has the sweet sniper.
Yeah, and I really want that. Dude, it's huge though. Like, I don't think we could carry it. Like, unless if I get like, what, 16? Huh. I'm sorry I haven't been making videos. Yeah, just, I'm gonna shoot the Mega Madness for you. What? Okay, it comes with 10 bullets. I know.
Oh my gosh, I hear the Illuminati song.
Oh my god.
It's a dubstep kind, like a remix of it.
So we have, we have 10.
That song right now.
Oh my, it's beautiful bullet heaven.
Beautiful bullets.
Now, let's reload. So we have 3. We could hold 3 in the chamber.
Yeah.
Actually, these are
the Mega Madness holds
3 bullet. That's its like little mag. Thing.
Yeah. No wonder why it's called a Mega Magnus.
Mega Magnus.
That's actually what it's called.
No, it's called Mega Madness.
No, it's Mag. I looked at it.
No, it's Mega Mad.
I saw Mag.
Well, he probably saw Mag. I don't know. But it's last time I saw it was the Mad. And first I thought the whole series is called Mega Madness. I'm gonna shoot this thing.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's the Mega Madness. Now let's unbox the Big Shock, which Kitty Meow Meow has, but
I lost it.
Yep. He'll find
I
it.
never take track of it.
Oh yeah, that's also a new
I
glass.
also lost another gun. It's a End Strike Machine, I think.
What is it?
You know that blue one I got?
The Fire Strike?
Yeah. No.
No, we saw that one today. Oh, it's actually a pretty big pistol. I love this thing. It's like a
Can I
drill.
hold it? I haven't held a Big Shot in a long time. Big Shot. I always said Big Shot.
I know, I also said it like that too. So it comes with 2 bullets. That's max capacity.
If you don't have a bullet right here, it kind of has a little scope.
Oh yeah, it does have a scope. That is cool.
But it holds no.
So here.
I guess.
So, yeah, got
Now
12.
shoot that. It's very powerful.
So I'm just gonna let it be loaded.
Cocked.
All right, the moment of truce. The recaller.
Not truce.
I don't know. I don't know.
Can I hold this mini pistol?
Sure.
The really, really small one.
Oh my god.
Shut air
I'm
at
gonna
me.
have to get the scissors again. Darn.
Scissors.
Oh.
I was really excited when I got the Doom plan.
Yeah, actually.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. So turns out my dad tricked me. Like he said go get.
There's another stop.
So wait, there's a.
Can I help unbox it?
No, I'm gonna unbox it. So he tricked me and said go get my blanket, and then under the blanket was all these, and he only gave me this at first. This sucky pistol, and he said that's what I could only afford. But then he surprised me, and I was actually wow.
He actually called us when that happens. So. Now I can say that.
Rip! Oh, this feels so much better.
Can I feel it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh, here we go. The moment of truth. The actual blaster. You know
Are
what?
these whistling bullets?
Huh?
I don't know if they're whistling bullets or not. Wait, can I shoot?
Oh!
Can I hold it?
Dude, this is like the Recon Mark II. Wait. What if this
I
is...
shot a marble.
Wait. Oh. Wow. This is weird. Wait, is it going to be like the Recon Mark II? Wait. No, you have to do it like this one. I know, because it's like the Recon Mark II. Just slides out.
It comes
This is a 12-round, regular 12-round mag. That's sweet. So this is like the Recon... Dude, this is just another Recon Mark II.
Yeah. It's just blue Recon Mark II.
That's cool. Let's,
Open the barrel?
yeah, it's X.
Oh man, get your modulus and put it on that.
Now I'm just gonna rip open these bullets.
Sorry we're not doing that much camera.
Yeah, and actually, because when it's over, I'm gonna shoot this and then it'll be done. Yep, Dexter Danger's here.
What's up, guys?
And
Feel the grip. Feel the grip. Whoa.
now the moment of truth. Nope. I'm going to shoot it first.
Okay.
Now I'm only going to.
Whoa. Look.
Oh yeah, I know. So I'm only going to shoot it once.
I actually just now finished posting a Nerf video, so if you guys want to see the
Here we go.
If you guys want to see the Doominator, go check out that video.
What the?
That is powerful. Can I hold it?
No.
I'm going to shot me square in the face.
All right. Now
If
to
you want to
end
see the Doominator, go ahead and check out my channel.
Now for the end of the video, I'm going to put the recalibrator parts on it. Oh wow, it's beautiful.
Whoa.
And then this.
I cry.
It's
Now cock it and
huge.
shoot it.
Oh, well, I'm just going to cock it. Well, thank you for watching, guys. I will see you all next time. And good.